Authorities are warning the public against criminals posing as policemen. This followed the latest incident where a motorist and his newly purchased vehicle were victimized by fake cops. Only recently, 7 bogus policemen were arrested in Metro Manila. This report.
A fake police personnel striked again in Quezon City and forcibly took a newly bought Toyota Vios. Victim identified as Bernabe Antonio disclosed that around 10:50 in the morning the other day, when an individual he thought as a policeman approached him and suddenly opened his car's door while parked along Central Avenue. But aside from the suspect who was then wearing patrol shirt, 3 other cohorts followed, entered inside the victim's vehicle, and from there, took away his car.
Ang timano lumapit sa driver's side. Kala ko magtatanong lang. Kung naka-uniforme siya ng pang-pulis, akala ko pulis na magtatanong. Paglapit niya, nung tinignan ko siya, bigla niya hinaltak yung pintuan ng kotse ko.
QCPD Directorate for Investigative and Records Management Chief Superintendent Ferdinand Villanueva said that Mr. Antonio already identified the one who harassed him after recognizing the suspect at the QCPD's Rogue Gallery.
Doon sa ginagawa natin pag-present sa kanya ng gallery natin, may nakikilala siya isa doon sa doon sa gallery natin.
Just recently, all policemen in Metro Manila were momentarily disallowed from wearing the light blue patrol shirt following series of crimes perpetrated by criminals pretending to be police personnel. Authorities advise be apprehensive in case you see an individual dressed in light blue police shirt because most probably that person is an offender who is just waiting for the right time to pick on his next target.
Appeal ko na rin po ito sa public na kung maaari pag nakakita ng nakapatrol siya, yan na po muna, itawag na sa 117. Yun po yung pinakamabilis kasi natin na makapag-response yung police natin.
Last week, 7 bogus policemen were collared by the elements of the QCPD Station 5, whose modus is to establish a checkpoint operation and from there, perform their hoolied-up operations. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.